Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, and welcome to a journey like no other. Today we embark on a spiritual expedition, delving into the sacred pilgrimage of Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam. Join us as we unfold the beauty, significance, and rituals of this extraordinary journey that millions of Muslims undertake. Let's explore the heart and soul of Hajj, revealing the profound connections it forms with the Islamic faith. Hajj is an Arabic word meaning to intend a journey. It is an obligation for every Muslim to perform Hajj once in their lifetime if they can afford it. Let's delve into the significance of this sacred journey through the words of Allah in the Quran. Allah says in the Quran, Hajj to the house Kaaba is a duty that mankind owes to Allah, those who can afford the expenses. Al-Quran chapter 3, verse 97. Denying Hajj is akin to denying Allah. Hajj takes place in Makkah, Saudi Arabia, during the last month of the Muslim year. Pilgrims must reach the miqat, the designated place to assume Ihram, before starting their sacred journey. For boys, Ihram consists of 2 plain sheets with no stitches. Girls wear simple clothes covering their entire body except for the face, hands, and feet. Ihram symbolizes a state of purity and devotion. Pilgrims recite the Talbiya, declaring their obedience to Allah's call. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك يا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. Pilgrims perform Tawaf, 7 rounds, around the Kaaba and Saie, 7 times, between Al-Safa and Al-Marwa, completing the acts of Umrah. On the 8th of Adha, pilgrims offer Zuhr and Asr prayers at Mina. On the 9th, they spend the day in prayer and supplication at Arafat, seeking forgiveness. After Arafat, pilgrims stone the pillars representing Satan, symbolizing the rejection of evil influences. The culmination of Hajj is Adha. Pilgrims sacrifice animals, a symbolic act of obedience, and then cut their hair, signifying spiritual renewal. And so, our journey through the sacred pilgrimage of Hajj comes to an end. May this story inspire us to deepen our connection with Allah and strive for spiritual purity in our lives. As our journey through the sacred pilgrimage of Hajj comes to an end, we hope this exploration has provided you with a deeper understanding of the beauty and significance of this spiritual endeavor. May the lessons learned from Hajj inspire us all to strengthen our connection with Allah and cultivate a sense of unity and devotion in our lives. If you found this video insightful, please share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that nourishes the soul. Jazakallah khair for joining us on this spiritual journey. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.